I'll be teaching as to how to link your Jitsi Meet with that of YouTube live stream. For that, you should have a Gmail account. Move on to your Google Apps. From there, move on to YouTube. Once you click over that, you will have an icon called Create. Click over it. Later, you have to click the option Go Live. The Go Live option will be activated only after a two-step verification process where you have to type your phone number and an OTP will be sent across. You have to type that also. So once your accounts is verified, your live stream will be activated only after 24 hours. Now, since I have activated it, I have got this screen. So later you have to click stream, give a title for it, say echo, and the next option is whether you have to choose between three. The best one is unlisted. That is, only those participants who have registered for the webinar can access this particular link. You can add a description to it. Any of it is left to the host. The case of people and blogs, you can very well check it as education here. And if you have got a webinar after 2 days or so, you can schedule it later for that, in the sense that you can fix the date, time. But now I'm going to show as to how to go on live immediately. Then later you've got an option called upload custom thumbnail. In that you can upload your invitations, photo of the invitation or something of that sort. You can do it via the computer. Then your audience will be, no, it's not made for kids. Later, click create stream. So this screen will appear. Once this appears, you have to copy the stream key and keep it as such. So we have successfully copied it. Now we are moving on to Jitsi download. You are going to Jitsi Meet online. You give a name for a meeting. So I am naming it as economics webinar and click go. So you can see the screen appears where both the microphone and video is on. Later, go on to the more action option. From there, click start live stream. Sometimes Jitsi Meet can access the link. If not, you just paste what you had copied earlier. I'll just click over it and paste it. So once I paste it, I'll just do it once again. I feel it has gone. Start a live stream and I'll just paste it. Yes, I've pasted. Click start live stream. Now I'll get an announcement.
Live streaming is on.
So live streaming is on. Now you have to get back to the live stream YouTube studio and we have to see whether it is getting activated. Once this is activated, you will have an option go live. We'll just see. It will take few seconds. You can see the connection is excellent. Let everything be as default. You need not change anything. In YouTube, you can only chat, but you can't ask question directly to the resource person. Now you can see the screen has appeared. So I've got a message. Looks like you're ready. Click here to go start streaming. So go live. Click go live. So now this is live. Now how to share the YouTube link? For that, click this icon, copy it and go to your WhatsApp group which you had created for the webinar and paste it. So the YouTube link has been sent. So when that is over, get back to your Jitsi Meet and you have to go to invite people. Copy this also, paste it in the WhatsApp group. So you can see that both has been pasted. and the participants can view the webinar either via YouTube or Jitsi. The difference between these two is, in the case of Jitsi, the maximum participants is 100. But in YouTube, there are n number of people can view this. So it will be easy for them to access, that is especially the participants. We will just see once again. Now this is my Jitsi Meets You live, and we are just going for YouTube Studio. See here, you can see in full screen also, or you can click in escape. So when everything is done, or when the webinar is getting over, what you can do is you have to end the stream. So you have to click end. Later, this particular video will get saved in the channel, that is, YouTube channel in which you had created a Gmail account. We'll come to this aspect later. Now we'll go to Jitsi. There, what you have to do is go to more action, stop live stream here, stop live stream.
Live streaming has stopped.
So after it has stopped, what you have to do is, once the webinar is also over, just click the leave button here. So the webinar gets over. So we have left even the Jitsi Meet. Now we are getting back to the YouTube Studio to see where the video has been saved. So I am just clicking edit in Studio, where you can see channel, click channel videos. From there, click live. So your video has got saved. This can be kept as a future reference to, so you need not record. It gets automatically recorded once you live stream it. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for listening.